you know we back with another hit. Yeah, you know that y'all ain't get enough of this. But hold up, let me make it clear now. Face slitty, so it's all about the hair now. Head down, knew that need to be tamed. You ain't treating it like you love it, girl, that need to be changed. I think it's clearly time for a wash and go. But first, we got some things that you ought to know. Gotta get the natural infusions if we tryna make a difference. Moisturize strength, give you shining definition. Listen, that's a curly girl must have. When them girls come around, tell them don't touch that. Micellar rose water cleanser for the wash. Hair hydrated, you ain't never take a loss. Massage it to the scalp, ooh, they missing out. Hair clean, all you gotta do is rinse it out. You know you gotta make the hair last. And ain't no better way than fixing up a hair mask. Chia seed, argan oil in the mix with it. Chef it up, turn a cocktail kit with it. And drop a bit of avocado, jojoba in the argan. And mix it with the ceramide, look at what you starting. Boosting up the moisture, give you shine and protection. Know you need the coverage that weather be disrespecting. Apply to the hair, let it freshen up. Letting all the dry areas get extra love. Rub it in, all the different spots. Cause we gotta untangle to get rid of the knots. Just be gentle, starting at the ends, work your way up. Cause curls rule the world, pretty girl, this a layup. Pretty soon, you gon' bloom like a flower. Now sit back, relax, leave the mask for an hour. Shawty, don't forget, gotta rinse it all out, get it soaking wet. Bet lavender conditioner, the next step, shawty. Ooh, you on your way to be the best, yeah, shawty. Condition on a mission, never let it slide past. Leave it in if you notice that your hair dry fast. Brush it through in sections if your curls clump together. Know it feel like forever, ever, forever, ever. Next, get the mallory spray to prep the hair. Spray it over here, over there, everywhere. Parted down the middle, now we starting in the rear. Style, hold it, get them curls right like, yeah. Hey, you, like an angel. You brushing it at an angle, they should thank you. When you do it so good, I swear they should pay you. You don't never miss a spot, you do what they can't do. Thank you, got it on lock, but ain't none in your head. Curls bouncing, astounding, you one of the best. You the baddest, I believe it, girl, you really a boss. If it's still a little dry, add a little bit more. Okay, it's drying time, this right here is my kind of time. Cause you need quiet time to grow if you try and shine. But if you in a rush and you really don't got the time to be drying, then grab a shirt for the water to fly the time. Now get you the diffuser and finish it up. More volume definition and some quicker results. Take your time with it, I promise it be all worth it. Guarantee to smile when them curls look perfect, yeah. When it's all dry, then you through with it, yeah. When I say you doing it, you doing it, yeah. Got a hair food on, rub it in your hands. I ain't with the frizz, I don't think you understand. Get it whatever, the bigger the better, yeah. Separate whatever, sticking together, yeah. Then you flip your hair and you shake it at the roots. Take your favorite pick or a comb, wide tooth. Fluff it out, do what you gotta do. Know it's surprises, but hope you know that we proud of you. Get it, you killing it, girl, you know what you got into. Natural infusions, now that's gonna bring the best out of you.